UNH not only offered a major to me that isn't at my state university, but also offered a lot more experiences and opportunities.
The technical skills I've learned both through my coursework and through my job here as a lab tech will help create a stable foundation for when I enter the workforce.
It felt like as a student, I wasn't just studying science, but I was doing science. Research was something that definitely drew me to UNH, like knowing that we're an R1 research school.
I quickly realized that I would have far more opportunities than I would ever know what to do with, and that they were very competitive with some of the other universities I was considering before committing to UNH in high school.
I secured an internship, and that rolled into a full-time job upon graduation.